And here we have what could very well be our last project of Atlanta floods, October 2009, with the Bowery Relief Ministries joint effort going on. Unfortunately, this house, let's see if you can see all the way up by the door there, you can see the water line there. So if we step back just a little bit, and this is where the water exited for this side, you can see that's about 4 foot or so on the exit. And there's Matt working hard. And another ministry came into this job, and the water was 4 to 5 feet high, and they only removed about 4 foot of the drywall in some places. In some places they didn't remove it at all or down far. They didn't sweep anything up. They didn't pull any nails. And the homeowner was a little worried, and she hired a contractor to come in to rebuild. And the contractor told her that she had mold all over her house and that she needed to get it out, and that he would certainly do it for her. And then, of course, she was trying to get them to save money, and we had done a couple other jobs that the contractor had seen. And so he went back to one of them to ask them for our number and contacted us to see if we would be willing to come in and do this for her so she could save some money. So we talked to her and agreed to come in and do it. We're removing the sheetrock to the 5 foot level. You can see, let's look at the mold here. Let's try to enhance this picture a little bit. You can see mold growing all over that wall. And they've had the house they've had the house buttoned up. It's not been aired out. They've cut the electricity off, so we can't get dehumidifiers in here. And so we're going to remove all this stuff. And unfortunately, there were cabinets up here. You can see where they were on the walls, but I didn't get the cameras in here before we started. We are just walking through as it is now. So was taking a look around. We got some wood floor. We got our wood floor master remover over here. He is hard at work. He is the expert. So there's no doubt in my mind about that. It's not something I would want to be an expert in, but Spencer has decided that this is what he's going to do. I mean Marlin. I'm sorry. I keep getting them mixed up. Marlin and Spencer. It's not Merlin. It's Marlin. So don't forget that. Okay. You're an animal, man. You're an animal. This house had 7 feet of water in it, and a church group or a volunteer group, whoever came through and did about half the drywall. Then the homeowners removed the rest, and then they asked us to come in and disinfect, and they had not pulled their floor up. So we were blessed with the rental of a tool to help us do that. That's what we just saw when they were removing the floor, and we just got to finish getting the We just have to finish getting the, don't worry about that. Getting the, hold on a second. We just have to finish getting the sheetrock up, getting the floors up, getting everything swept up, and then we can spray it.
All right, whoa!
I got it, bro. Like that.
We're just watching roll, bro.
He's giving a pinky roll. He's giving a pinky roll.
This is YouTube quality, guys. YouTube quality.
James giving a pinky roll.
Come on, Fernando. Hold your weight.
Come on, come on, Scott. Come on, Scott.
I am.
My glove.
Oh, my glove. Where's James' glove?
I don't have gloves.
Okay, that's what I was seeing. John?
Why am I holding this up by myself?
Because you're like Arnold.
I'm Arnold. Arnold, man.
You're the man.
Oh.
John.
YouTube top 10 in Manhattan, New York this weekend.
Yeah.
Whoa. Be careful.
Watch the little bushes.
Man, the bushes are at least.
Yeah, I was like, I'm not worried about the bushes. Oh, is that on tape?
Oh, is it?
Ready? Go.
Oh,
I got it, bro. My back's huge, bro. I'm gonna go nowhere. Coming towards me. Here you go.
Come on, guys. I'm going to run out of tape before you guys get it out there.
Ow, no, I'm not ready. Let me get the numbers. Oh, there's a worm right there.
Yeah.
Big John.
Big John, yeah. Wait till the girl from Texas sees this.
Oh, my sweater!
Come on, man. Give it a man push, John. John.
That's what the Bowery boys do.
That's it. We almost there.
We're bringing our trophy home, bro.